Insulation in construction refers to the use of materials or techniques to reduce the flow of heat or sound between the interior and exterior of a building. Proper insulation is important for energy efficiency, comfort, and sound control in buildings. It can help to reduce energy costs by minimizing the need for heating and cooling, and can also improve the indoor air quality by preventing drafts and moisture from entering the building. There are many different types of insulation materials available, including fiberglass, foam, cellulose, and mineral wool. The choice of insulation will depend on the specific needs of the building, as well as factors such as cost, availability, and environmental impact. Insulation can be installed in a variety of ways, including bats or rolls, blown-in insulation, spray foam, and rigid boards. It is important to install insulation properly to ensure that it provides the desired level of performance. In addition to traditional insulation materials, there are also emerging technologies, such as aerogels and vacuum insulation panels, that offer even greater levels of thermal performance. However, these materials can be more expensive and may not be suitable for all applications. Water insulation, also known as waterproofing, is another important aspect of construction. It refers to the use of materials and techniques to prevent water from penetrating into the interior of a building. Proper waterproofing is essential to protect the building and its contents from damage caused by water, such as mold growth, structural damage, and degradation of building materials. There are several methods of waterproofing, including the use of membranes, coatings, and sealants. Membranes are thin sheets of material that are placed over a surface to prevent water from penetrating. They can be made from a variety of materials, such as rubber, PVC, and bituminous materials. Coatings are applied directly to the surface and create a barrier against water penetration. Sealants are used to fill gaps in joints, preventing water from seeping through these areas. Waterproofing can be applied to a variety of surfaces, such as roofs, walls, and foundations. It is particularly important in areas of the building that are in contact with water, such as the basement or the roof. Proper waterproofing also includes the use of proper drainage systems to channel water away from the building. This may include the installation of gutters and downspouts, as well as the grading of the land around the building to direct water away from the foundation. Overall, insulation is an important consideration in the design and construction of buildings, and can have a significant impact on energy efficiency and occupant comfort.